Master Electric Skillet. Ayan. So, buksan natin.
Pag-unbox nito, baka mamaya mataga pa ako.
Hoy,
Slowly lang. Oo.
careful, careful.
Si Jen na lang ang mag-unbox.
Okay. Hindi, tama naman ang gawa mo. Tapos,
Asan yung excited na face? Dali, dali.
Ayan, na face daw.
Siyempre
Yan.
naman. Siyempre, we will support you.
Yes. This is
wow. That's the cover.
This is the
I-check muna
cover.
natin yan kung shiny, shimmery, splendid.
Ayan. Shining, shimmering. Aking bag. Na. Excited yan.
So, wow, pwede kang manalamin.
Mhm.
Okay lahat.
So, ganun din. Suka, no?
Opo, ayan.
Mm. Ayan.
Ako, hindi ko pa nahawakan. Yung pala, bubuksan naman talaga, hawakan pwede naman.
Oo.
Kasi yun naman to eh. Oo.
Ayan. So, okay na to ah. Bye-bye.
Tapos, ayan siya. Kailangan natin siyang tanggalin kasi i-check pa natin yung kanyang probe. If it's working or not working.
Ayan.
Okay.
Okay.
Ayan. Tapos, i-check natin doon kung nag-work. So, may power, temperature, arrow up, tapos Fahrenheit, going back down, arrow down, timer. Okay, arrow up, arrow down. So, functioning naman lahat.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay.
Okay na yan sis kasi naka-record.
Congratulations.
Congratulations!